everyone. This is Kasey. I'm just here to show you how simple iMarketslive has made it for people who have no experience in the cryptocurrency market or the Forex market to be able to trade and make a profit off of these two markets. They have come out now with SwipeCoins, which allows you to trade cryptocurrency, and it gives you signals from pro traders that have already analyzed the market, and they send you out their trade ideas so that you can take their trades when you are at work, when you're at school, when you're anywhere, just out with your cell phone. We call it copy, paste, profit, because all you have to do is literally copy and paste their ideas and you can be in profit. So without further ado, let me go to the app called SwipeCoins. When you open it up, it's going to look something similar to this. It'll look exactly like this, but the pair may be different. So you're going to hit the little check mark so that you can see it. All right, it opens up. Now, when it opens, you're going to see this. You're going to see the pair, which that is Bitcoin. You're going to see the time frame, what type of order it is, the entry price, the stop loss, and the take profit. That's all you really need. Okay, so now you go put it into your MetaTrader 4, and you're just going to copy and paste it over. So I'm going over to my MetaTrader. I already pulled it up, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'm going to go to quotes. All right, so I'm looking for BTC USD. Remember, we're doing Bitcoin. I'm going to do new order. Remember, it was a buy limit. So I'm going to go up here where it says market execution. I'm going to change that to buy limit. Now the price, I want the entry price. There's two. You can choose either one. I usually go with entry price 1. I'm going to push this little clipboard to the side. That's a copy. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to hold where it says price, and I'm going to paste. I'm going to go back. I'm going to get my stop loss price to go on that red line. There it is. I'm going to click that little piece of paper, copy. I'm going to come back, this red line, hold it, and paste. I must not have got it right. Okay, go back to get my stop loss. Coming back to the red line and paste. Okay, there we go. All right, and now I want to get my take profit. I go with take profit 1, copy it, come back. Green line is your take profit, paste. Now all my information's in there: buy limit, entry price, stop loss, take profit. I'm gonna push place. Simple as that. Now my order is in. I can see if any of my other ones took profit, and some of them are still waiting to take profit. So that's it. You can put as many of them in as you like, or however you want to. This is your account. You can make as much or as little as you like. But that's it for now. That's so simple. And if you guys want to learn how to do this or learn how to get this product, just hit me up. Have a good afternoon, you guys.